What's up, everybody? So after reading Communication is All You Need by LangChain, it reinforced a few AI principles that are a big part of what is driving tangible enterprise AI innovation today and going forward. Number one, when you build AI agents, intelligence systems, etc., communication is key. As smart as the underlying LLMs may become, they will still need the proper context to function reliably, and that context needs to be communicated properly. Communication is not just expression and natural language, but it can also involve code to communicate more precisely. The best people to communicate something are the ones who understand it best, and so building these agents will become cross-functional. The best tip for diagnosing why your agent isn't working is to simply look at the actual calls to the LLM and the exact inputs to the prompts. Then make sure that if you gave these inputs to the smartest human you know, they would be able to respond as you expect. If they couldn't do that, they need to clarify your request, typically by adjusting the prompt. This process, known as prompt engineering, is unlikely to disappear anytime soon. Number two, define the right problem, select the right tool for the job, and generate the right solution/outcomes. A somewhat common question I get asked is, as the models get better, will that remove the need for frameworks like LangGraph? The underlying assumption is that the models will get so good that they will remove the need for any code around the LLM. No. If you're using LangGraph to elicit better general purpose reasoning from models, then sure, maybe. But that's not how most people are using it. Most people are using LangGraph to build vertical specific, highly customized agentic applications. Communication is a key part of that, and code is a key part of communication. Communication isn't going away. And so neither is code, and so neither is LangGraph. Number three, AI is no longer just technology questions to be answered by technologists. It's multidisciplinary questions to be answered by cross-functional leaders, including technologists. One key area is prompt engineering, where domain experts often write the best natural language instructions for prompts, since they know how the LLM should behave, parentheses, more so than the engineers, end parentheses. Yet the value of domain experts goes beyond prompting. They can review the entire cognitive architecture of the agent to make sure all logic, parentheses, whether expressed in language or in code, end parentheses, is correct. Tools like LangGraph Studio, which visualize the flow of your agent, make this process easier. Number four, design matters a lot. One thing we've invested in really heavily from the beginning is a beautiful UI for visualizing agent traces. This beauty serves a purpose. It makes it easier for domain experts of all levels of technical ability to understand what is going on. It communicates so much more clearly what is happening than JSON logs ever would. The power of an AI application comes down to how well it facilitates human and AI collaboration. And for that reason, we think UI UX is one of the most important places to be innovating. That's their quote. I'm going to reinforce it and say I could not agree more. Have a great Friday. Take care. And if you don't know LangChain, LangGraph, etc., now you do, and you should check them out.